Hello and welcome back to MatrixGold. Today, in this video, we will make a crossover setting, a 3-stone crossover setting, and we will do it parametric. So let's start with the finger size, so no secret on that. Then I will start to place the stones, so I will go to the gems on green rail, and I will place 3 stones here. So I will go to the count, and I will go to 2 and 3. All right, so these are the stones that we want to have crossover setting. Okay, what we will do next? We will do the shank. So let's start with the profile placer, and I will use a squarish profile like this one, and I will just move it. Actually, I will put it into 0.25, and also I will do the mirror profile, so we have the bottom part. This is done. What I will do next, now I want this shank here to split and go up to here, because from there is where we will connect it to the setting. So if I want to split it, if I want to split this profile, one trick that I can show you is this one. So I select this profile, and what I will do is Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V. So what I'm doing now is just, again, you see I'm doing the same profile placer, so I'm getting the same dimensions, everything the same. But what I will do now is I will go to edit the second one, I will go to the profile editor, and what I will do with this profile editor is just split this curve, because I want just half of this profile. Alright, so to do that I will select the add line from here to here, and what I will do now, inside the profile editor I have the trim, so it's asking me select cutting objects, is this one, enter and select curves to trim, this one. So I get just half of the profile that we have had. Alright, and now what I will do is I just select both of them and join. Let me just be sure. Yes, alright, and I validate. So now I have here the whole profile, and also I have just half, and it's following perfectly the profile that we have for the shank. Alright, now we have the 3 stones. What probably we'll do is edit this one and add another one up to here. So as you can see, it's just following. If I want to make it higher or whatever, I can do whatever I want to do here. So I will do something like this. Right. Okay. And now I will start to work with the stones. What I will do is, from this one I will get the gem guides, and from this one I will also get the gem guides, but on this one, the ones at the side, we will choose this layout, and the same for this one. The reason I'm doing that is because now I have guides to place more profiles, and here now there is a lot of options that we can use, but I will get this one. I will place a profile, tools, profile placer, I will rotate it 90 degrees. I will change it to a squarish one. Now, even I don't have this straight line here, it's not important because I will do the sweep, so we will have a transition. And now what I will do is just (1.3 by 1.3 will be okay. So we want quite thick profile. Alright, now that we have this profile on this gem guide, we still can move it. So we have a guide. This is what is important. And now we can place it wherever we want. So if we want it here, and if we want to just give it this direction, that's okay. The reason what I'm doing now this is because we can do the profile sweep. So I go here, profile sweep, between this profile and this profile. So we get this nice profile. And the good thing is that we have control on this profile. All right, so I will keep this like that. And then I will do a sweep with these two guys here. All right. We can keep it open or close, it doesn't matter. At the end of the day, I will close everything. And you know, we have all the control because now I can go to this one. So if I just click on it, the tool already opens up for me, so I know where I need to go. I can go to edit, and if I think that is too thick, I can go like this. And then again, I can go to the profile sweep and I can smooth it out like that. So I get a nice flow. So we have this side. And now what I have to do is we can do what we did before. So I can go and try to find or set the same dimensions that I did for this profile, but sometimes it's faster and convenient to do Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V. So now what I will get is another profile placer in the same place, but what I can do is just go to edit and change the guide. So this will be the one. And now as you can see, I get the same dimensions. I will put that one here. So what I'm looking all the time is to have different settings that I can go back to any of those and make as many changes as I want. All right, so I have this one here, and now I will do the same. The only thing that I need to do is just Ctrl+V, and I will place another one. But now what I will say to this one is that I want this guide. All right, and I will move it here. Where I place it now is not very important because once I see the sweep, then will be the right time. Okay, so again, we will play with the profile sweep between this one and this one. I placed enter, so edit. And now if I go to the front view, we got this. If I go to the top, now it's when it's the right time to place the profile in the right spot. So I have totally the control on that. Let me go to the 4 views. So I can also get the right angle from here. Okay. From this view looks okay. And what we'll probably will have to do is just go to this one and move this one. Okay, so I'll go like this. All right, so as you can see, we have all the control and we still keep everything parametric. So we can just bring it up. Okay, very cool. So now if I go back to perspective, with what we have here, I would say that the ring is almost done. Let me tell you why. Because now we just need to cap these three profiles here. So you know that we have this tool that is also parametric, is the profile cap. So I will cap this one. I will do the same with this one. And I will do the same with this one. All right. What is next is, let me go to this view. I will get this sweep, and this cap, and I will do a mirror multi. And what I will also do is just get this one with this and this, and we'll do the same. Mirror. And there we go. And now it's just a matter to fine tune. You see, we have this profile here. So what we can do is just edit. There we go. And what I will also move is this one. So we match it with the other one. And there we go. Now the last step will be the sweep one between the two profiles at the bottom. This one, and this one. And the ring is done. So now what we have here is a ring parametric that if we want to change the complete, if we want to change the finger size, we can change it and everything recalculates automatically. So now if I go back to number 6, everything recalculates. And I have all the control to change any shape, thickness, anything. So if I don't like this curve here, I just need to come to this profile here, edit, and then I can move it more to the center. So I'm getting this shape. All right, so I think that it's a pretty cool exercise to do with MatrixGold. It gives you a lot of options. You can change the stone shape, sorry, the stone size. So it's something that it's good to have in mind when it's time to do this kind of rings. So I hope you enjoy it, and now you can do these kind of rings that are pretty popular. So thanks for watching.